Hi guys, welcome to Complete Registration and Login System with Email Verification course. My name is Daniel and I will be your instructor in this course. I have been developing web applications in PHP from the last 2 years, and I also have experience with modern technologies like Bootstrap, CSS3, HTML5, jQuery and Ajax, and many more. Through this course, I want to share my knowledge with you guys. This course is about complete registration and login system. This is very important skill to learn for every web developer nowadays, because every website requires some sort of member registration and login area nowadays to provide user authentication and to provide proper privileges to the users. So this course is for the beginners who want to learn to create the registration and login system for their websites, or for anyone who wants to learn to create complete registration and login system. These are the requirements for this course. You need to have some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, and it would be good if you have some knowledge of PHP, but that's optional. You should also have a text editor in order to edit and write PHP code. You also have to install this XAMPP server with PHP 5.6.15. So these are the requirements. So you will get all of these things from this project. You will be able to build a login and sign up system, and you will also be able to do form validation, stuff like email verification systems, and you will also be able to make some parts of the application private so that some pages are only visible to the logged in users. And we will also be learning the Remember Me functionality in this course. So let's go ahead and have a look what we will be developing in this course. So at the end, we will also be uploading the project to online server. As you can see, I have uploaded it to my website, phpfragments.com. So here you can see the registration form actually. So the user will come here and be able to register here, and after registration, user will receive an activation email, and after activating the account, user will be able to log in to the system. So let me log in and show you how it works. 1 2 3 4 5 login. We also have this cool logout feature, and if the user is logged in, we are not able to see login and register pages. You can see that. If I click login while I am logged in, I am redirected back to my account.php. Same for register.php. And now you can see when I click this button, the session of the user will be destroyed. You can see this nice error, the nice success message, which is saying logged out successfully. So let me show you one more thing. You will also learn how to make some pages of the application private. My account page will be actually private. So we are now logged out. So let's test it. You can see that it is showing an error message. This is because we are not logged in. It is saying you need to log in to view account. So it is working perfect. So now let me log in again and show you this Remember Me feature. 1 2 3 4 5. We will have to check this checkbox. Check it and click login. You can see we are logged in, and now if we close out the browser without logging the user out, we'll also have to close it from here. And let's go back to the browser, and we should still be logged in. You can see that the user is still logged in even after closing the browser. So let me show you one more cool feature of this application. This forgot password. If the user forgets his password, user will be able to retrieve the password. So my email is daniqureshi@gmail.com, and when I click this button, I will receive my password. It is showing me a success message. Your password has been sent to your email, So let's go ahead and check if I receive any email or not. It's taking a bit time. You can see this message. I have received the email. Your password is 12345. So now you can see that we will be working on this application in this course. So from the next video we will be working on the building the application. So stay tuned.